Mom?
Yes, Makeda?
Can we read this book?
What book, baby?
Don't push the button.
You mean the one written and illustrated by Bill Cotter?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, let's do it.
Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button.
Mom, I'm gonna push that button.
He just said don't push the button, though.
Please, can I push the button?
Well, let's see what Larry says.
Seriously, don't even think about it.
Pretty, please, can I push the button?
Well, okay. Maybe Larry will let us.
It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push.
Okay, here goes. Beep boop.
Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again.
Beep boop.
Oh, no.
Eee! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice.
Boop boop.
Oh, wow. Look at Larry.
Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times.
Boop 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 boop.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Look at all of these Larrys. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow, so many. What is Larry going to do?
Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake it. Almost. A little more.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again.
Oh, you sure, Larry?
I mean, but that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.
Boop boop.
All right, bye, Larry.
Bye, Larry. See you later. Thank you for reading, guys. Bye-bye.